All right, let's see what we can do with this. It makes a funny noise. A lot of noise. We've got lots of the paperwork on it, the inspection stuff. It's a Rage 12-watt amp from, best I can tell, 1988. Stereo headphone jack, 8-inch speaker. $1988, printed in the USA. I sure really like to see things go back to how they used to be, where there was lots of different companies like this, where companies could actually afford to make a product and make a profit and employ people in the United States to make money. And everybody wanted cheap stuff, and you see where we're at now. Anyway, let's go plug this in and see what happens. Okay, so you guys missed all the racket it just made, but I'm going to plug it into the guitar here and just see if it does anything. So there's something loose in it. But we know it works. Let me try something. See that? We're out of tune. Anyway, we get the distortion channel. Sounds funky. Normal gain. I don't have a guitar pick, I'm just playing with my finger, which I don't do well. It works. So we'll have to see what's wrong with it. I don't know what's wrong with it, but it works. Just don't move it. But boy, when it crackles, it is loud. So anyway, I'll make another video. I'm going to open it up and stuff, and I'm just kind of trying to get stuff done. I gotta keep an eye on the kids while I'm doing this, so we'll catch you guys later.